Today, there are over 120 organisations who operate under the Welsh language standards, and that creates rights not only for members of the public to use Welsh in all their workings with those organisations, but it also ensures that members of staff within the organisations themselves also have the right to use Welsh within the workplace. If you've lost your Welsh, or if you need more confidence to ensure that you can use Welsh within the workplace, then there are now plenty of opportunities for you to be given the opportunity to do so. There are courses available, there's support available, so please make sure that you avail yourselves of all those opportunities. This year obviously has been very different in the way many of our organisations have to work. And much of our interaction with the public has changed because of that. But those language rights still exist in the same way that they did prior to COVID. So stay safe and make sure that you actually make the opportunities available to you to use Welsh within your workplace to ensure that you actually are able to provide a better service to those people who wish to conduct the business with your organisation through the medium of Welsh.